How to reconcile on Quicken. First, open up Quicken and select your account. Launch Quicken 2025 on your computer. In the left sidebar, select the account you want to reconcile. Click Reconcile. At the top of the account register, click the gear icon or Reconcile button. This opens the reconciliation window, then enter your statement information. Grab your bank or credit card statement. Enter the statement ending date and closing balance, exactly as shown on your statement. If there are any service charges or interest earned, enter them too. Match the transaction. Quicken will show a list of your recorded transactions. Compare each transaction to your statement and check off the ones that are matched. Use the checkbox to mark each transaction as cleared. Resolve discrepancies. If the difference at the bottom is 0, your account is reconciled. If not, look for missing, duplicated, or incorrectly entered transactions. Fix or add any missing data until the difference is 0. Finish reconciliation. Once the difference is 0, click finish or done. Quicken will lock the reconciled transactions to prevent accidental charges. Subscribe.